Hello, good evening to all. Hope my voice is audible. In which I will share the screen. Yes. Okay. I think my voice is audible and also I shared the screen. Screen is also visible to you. I will start the session in 2 minutes. అదిగో డబ్బులు ఉమ్, ఉమ్. Okay. Good evening to all. I will start the session. Okay. Continue with the remaining problems. Now, this is the next problem. Chain marketing organization has a scheme for income generation through which its members generate income for themselves. It is loaded. Meanwhile, the scheme is such that suppose suppose A joins the scheme and makes R and V to join the scheme. Then A is the parent member of R and V who are the child members. I think you got the idea. What is the concept here? One scheme is there. For example, first A joins the scheme and if and makes R and V to join the same scheme. In that situation, A is called parent member, R and V are called join the scheme. Then the parent gets a 2% from each of his child members. For example, some three childs are there. So each 3 into 10%. Child members receive commission of 5% respectively. Now, if a parent member does not have any member joined under him, then he gets a commission of 5%. Okay, clear. So they given some conditions. What are the conditions? Parent to childs are there. For this, another child is there. Simply, if they are joined under a parent, parent gets a commission of 10% and the child gets a commission of 5%. For example, if a member joined but not under this parent, in such situation also parent gets a commission of 5%. Now, name of the members joining the scheme as the input. Okay, display how many members joined the scheme including parent member. How many members are joined the scheme? Calculate the total commission gained by each member joined the scheme. What is the total commission gained by each member? The fixed amount for joining the scheme is 5,000. So they fixed one criteria 1,000. On this 5,000, a commission of 10% or 5% will be generated. Now, examples, observe these examples. I will explain. When there are more than one child, when there are more than one child members, so input, do not give input prompts, accept values as follows. What is the meaning? Input prompt in the sense enter enter a value, enter b value, that is such type of messages are not required. Directly read the value. First, I entered one name Amit. Whatever I entered, this is parent member. Next, enter Y. If parent member has members, so if my next input is Y means whatever the parent we entered, the parent has child members. Otherwise, enter N. Suppose here Y is entered. Now Y is entered means Amit is the parent. Amit has some number of childs. Here I enter the names of the childs separated by comma. Enter the names of the members, comma separated. What is the output? So understand carefully. How many number of persons I have? A total of 3 persons. What are the commission details? Observe. Amit has how many number of children? Two children. How many number of children? Two children. So 10%. 5,000 10% means 500. Two children. So 10%, 10%, 1,000. Yes or no? So Amit get a commission of 1,000 rupees. Rajesh 5%, that is 250. Virat 5%, that is 250. Observe now. Example, when there is only one child member, what happened? Amit, why? Suppose you entered output, sorry, Rajesh child. Now what is the percentage Amit get? Before seeing, Amit get 500. Why? Each single child we are getting a percentage of, that is commission of 10%. 5,000 10% means 500. Only one child. Amit gets 500. Rajesh gets 250. Check. See. Amit gets 500. Rajesh gets 250. When, if it is Y, if it is N, there is no child. What you need to do? Now we will do step by step. I think everyone, the program is clear. According to the program, we will try to solve. First, what is given? The name, and then some message yes or no. Name and then some message yes or no. Initially, first type, whatever you are given, that is considered as from parent. Parent is equal to input of. Observe, like this only we are doing the program. Okay, I am reading the parent. Next, you need to read one message, Y or N, either Y or N. So for that you are using some variable which variable you want to use. For example, I am using one variable flag input. Now, what is the value of flag? Either y or n. According to the question, the flag value is equal to either y or n. Now, okay, two inputs are clear. If flag is equal to y, we are doing one operation. Suppose else, if flag is equal to n, we are doing one other operation. Yes or no? If flag is equal to n means no child. Flag equal to n means no child. If there is no child, what is the commission? Fixed here, no need to calculate 10 percentage. So simply we are printing the message, commission is 250. The commission is 250. Now if flag is equal to y means, next step what happened? If flag is equal to n means you no need to do enter anything. Stop, completed input. Suppose the flag is equal to y means you are reading the input separated by comma. Separated by comma. Suppose then what I am doing, whatever you entered, suppose that is placed in chase list of map of some str comma input dot split. Same procedure, whatever we discussed the list, same procedure. What happened? So I am reading one input, a single string. One input reads a single string separated by comma. On that I am doing split operation. So each thing is converted into str. Finally, list of. Now, what childs consists of? Childs consists of, according to this example, Rajesh and Virat. So Rajesh is one element, comma, Virat is another element. You got it? By using this input, I am reading this entire string, Rajesh Virat, as a single string separated with comma. So split with comma, they are divided into two elements. Each one is converted into a string and list. Okay, fine. Child is available. Childs are available. Okay, next what you need to print? Commission. What is the commission of each child? For example, child 0, the commission is 250. Child 1, the commission is 250. Sorry, 5%. So the commission is 500. Here also the commission is 500. Now, what is the commission of parent? What is the commission of parent? Whatever it is, how much they are given? For child 250 only. That is right. For the child 5% only, whatever the percentage. So child 0 250, child 1 250. Now what about parent? So how many number of childs I have? Two childs. 2 plus 1, 3 into 500,000, or 3 into 500. Whatever the percentage they are given, according to that percentage we are printing. Observe, program is, if you read the program, it's a very, very difficult program. Understand carefully. Again, I will explain by typing the program parallelly. Now, go to, one second, it is open. Okay, first observe the input and output. According to that only we can write the program. First, what is the input they are given? Parent. So whatever they given, that is considered as the parent, is equal to input of, that is a string. Simply that is name. Next, user is allowed to enter two values, y or n. Y or n. So some variable to input of, flag is equal to input of. Now, what are the two conditions? If a flag is equal to n, this is one condition, pass. L if if flag is equal to y, this is one condition, yes or no? If n, we are doing something, if y, we are doing something, step by step we will do. Yes, first, flag is equal to n, what is the answer? So here you need to print some message, total members, so that message need to be displayed. If flag is equal to n, print capital letters, use the letter size also, everything is important. Total members colon 1, that is fixed. Total members colon 1. So flag is equal to n in the sense there is no child. If there is no child in the sense only one member, only one member. Next, print, else you can write slash n also, that is your wish. Okay, print, what is the next message? Commission details. The next message is commission details. Okay, so what are the commission details? The name of the parent, Abid. Commission details, comma, in the next line, in the next line, if you want you can use a new print statement, or else you can use slash n, that is not a problem. You got my point? Slash n specifies a new line character. Here parent slash n parent. Now what is the value? The value to colon, parent to colon, the value is also fixed 250 INR. 250 INR. Here I am using some f string. I am using f string. Now if you have any doubt, execute. First I entered Amit, and if I press n, capital N only, even case sensitive n. Now see, total members are 1. Next line, commission details, Amit 250. Amit 250, yes or no? So if there is no child, commission is 5%. That is the reason I print 250. Here you can print like this. Slash n automatically moves to the new line. Not only this, here if you want, you can directly write slash n here. Now, okay. If a flag is equal to y, then what you need to do? Enter the children names. So how many number of children? I don't know, they also don't know. Simply read all the children in a single line separated by comma. How many number you entered? Simply take that number. Child is equal to list of map of str comma input dot split comma. So in the question only they are given the list of elements are separated by comma. Now child is a list. Now child is a list which consists of all the children value. Now step by step print total members colon how many members are there total, how many members are there total three members or four members or five members, how many, so how many number of childs are available plus one parent. So we don't know who entered only three childs, enter only four childs. Suppose I entered Rajesh Kama, Ravi Kama, Raju Kama, like the three childs are there. Simply len of child plus 1, len of child plus 1. Now what is the meaning one total? So two childs, according to my examples, two childs plus 1, that is total 3, including parent. Now print commission details. Next, what you need to do, commission details, commission details. So for the parent and for the child, so commission details of parent. What is the commission of parent? What is the commission of the parent? Simply remember. So move to here. How many number of childs are there? That many number into 500. Into 500. So parent, for example, here you need to write the commission. Amit has one, so both are same, don't confuse. If you want, I convert. So commission details slash n, to move to the next line, some index 0, here they given colon index number 1, they given colon index number 1, string complete dot format. Why I explain this one? Remember, even though format is not required, in place of 0 write down parent, in place of 1 what you written, number of childs into 5, or else you can use this syntax, parent comma number of childs, that is length of child into 500. Again I write, see somebody, format is not an important f string, commission details slash n, here directly you can write parent. So parent is replaced with their value colon, here length of child into 500. So both are same. Whatever you want, you can use that one. Just to the format is different only. Now what I am getting, commission details 0 means 0 is replaced with the parent, 1 is replaced with, that is 0 index, 1 is replaced with this one. Fine. Next, what is the next step? You need to get each and every child I in the list. For I in the list, print f string. So the name, that is I. What is the commission colon, the commission is 250 INR. The commission is 250 INR. Now run. First to observe, I am reading one name that is considered as the parent. Next, if I press N, if I press N means there are no childs. If there are no child means total, remember everything you need to write uppercase, lowercase. Just by mistake only I written this total members lowercase. Whatever the n means total one member is there. If so, here the question is then if the parent member does not have any member, then he gets a commission 5%. That is the reason I print the message as 250 INR plus enter. Yes, total members are 1. Commission details for Amit is equal to 250 exactly. Now assume the name is Amit. Now I typed Y. Y in the sense the meaning is there are chails. There are chails. How many? Remember, one input read only one value in the string format. One value format. Press enter. Now you are allowed to enter. Suppose Razu, comma Ravi, comma Suresh, comma Vikas. So like this I need. Meaning is 4 childs are available. Press enter. Observe here. So commission details. How many total members? 5. 4 children, 1 parent. Amit have 2000 rupees. How? Each child gets a 500 rupees. So four students, sorry, 4 children in the sense 2000. Raju 250, Ravi 250, Suresh 250, Vikas 250. Clear the program. So again the same point, step by step analysis. The only thing is concentrate on the question carefully. Definitely you will get 90% the solution is came from the given example. 90% of situations the from the example only we are getting the solution. We are getting the solution from the example only. Clear my point? If you are clear, I will move to the next one. Now, any doubts under this question? Anyone have? Anybody have any doubts under this question? Please ask me. Okay, fine. Now I will close. One second, please. Okay, okay. Now move to the next one. A doctor has a clinic where he serves his patients. The doctor consultation fees are different from different groups of patients depending on their age. If the patient age is below 70, fees is 200. If the patient age is between 17 and 40, fees is 400. If the patient age is above 40, fee 300. Write a code to calculate earning in a day for which one array or list of values representing age of patients visited on that day is passed as the output. Now the question is very simple. Till now we are doing this question. What is the question? Based on some condition. For example, if age less than 17, fee equal to 200. L if age greater than or equal to 17 and less than or equal 40, fee 400. Yes, if greater than 40, fee 300. We are written that condition. Okay, in this, along with this condition, they need to sum. What are the conditions? Again, some constraints are there. Age should not be 0 or less than 0 or above 120. The maximum age is 120. That means a list is given, within that we are placing some values. The maximum value is 120 only. Now, doctor consults a maximum of 20 patients a day. That means list consists of only 20 value. Enter age value, press enter without a value to stop. Okay, suppose this is an example. Now 20, 30, 40, 50, 2, 3, 14. Based on this is the total income. For example, 20. Remember the fees 200. So 200, sorry, 20 is between 70 to 40. So the fees is 400. Here also 408. Here 40, 1200. Here 1200 plus 50, 300, 1500. So 1500 plus this is 200, 17. This is 19. Like this, whatever it is, calculate. So according to the question, simply we are doing some operation. For any wrong input, display the invalid input. Display the invalid input. Okay. Now we will solve. Very simple. No need of explanation. Directly I will type. Now read one list. Example age. Generally, we are taking the variable names that reflect the concept. Even you are taking the variable name L is equal to, X is equal to, K is equal to. But remember, in the general scenario, most of the members, whoever do the coding regularly, they used the names that are suitable to our program. Then it is very easy to identify. So initially, I am taking one empty list H. Now how many number of elements you can enter? Question they are given maximum you can read 20 elements. So for I in range of how many number of times you can repeat? 20. Maximum you can enter 20 elements. Remember why I taken in this way? Why means in the question they given clearly. So enter age value, press enter without a value to stop. That means you no need to enter 20 values. For example, I want 5 values. Please enter 5 values and then press enter, automatically coming out. Automatically coming out. For example, read one input, x is equal to some input. I am reading one input, x is equal to input. Now, if x is equal to just to one message, then break. This is the condition to coming out of the loop. First, everyone write this one. Why? For example, initially also there is no student, that is there is no patient, zero. Whenever you are not given any value, if you are not given any value, then coming out, you no need to enter any details. Otherwise, that means L if now x in range of 1 comma, so what is the maximum? 120. 1 comma 120. And the most important, don't confuse, every minute point also important. Here x is in the string format. X is in the string format. Why I am using string only instead of converting integer? For this purpose. Now while checking, you need to convert into int x in range of int x in range of 1 to 120, 1 to 120, or if they given 0, should not be 0 or less than 0 or above 120. So taken from this one. Whatever you are reading, age dot append of age dot append of int of x. Now coming out, print age. Now 1 second, what happened till now? So I am creating age one empty list, an empty list. I can read a maximum of 20 patients elements, maximum of 20 patient ages, maximum. When I stop, whenever you are not given any value, stop. For that purpose, after reading the input, after reading the input, if x is equal to empty means break, I am coming out of the loop. Suppose x is equal to not empty means I entered some value that is in the string format, so I convert into integer. If it is in the range 1 to 120, then only I am adding. Other than greater than 120 or greater than, even not here, above 120. So till 120 is accepted, 1 comma 121. It is accepted. Now just to, for example, I entered some ages 20, enter, 30, enter, 40, enter. For example, 125, see, 125, fine. Next, I am not type any letters, just to press enter. Observe what the age consists of: 20, 30, 40 only. 125 is not included here. Whenever just to empty enter means coming out of the loop. For that empty enter, I used this one. Right now, clear? Cases, if this is the case, invalid input. Okay, in the last case, if it is wrong, we are getting some message invalid input, invalid input. And if you want exit method is there, see this one. Suppose 25, some 32, 125. See this one here. Actually, previously 125 is not placed, but that is also wrong. Whenever you entered a value greater than 120, that needs not to be included. That is not included. So invalid input, invalid input, exit. Exit means coming out of the program. Observe the difference. Break means coming out of the loop. Exit means coming out of the program. So till now what happened? Just to reading the input is completed. I think everyone is clear. Remember, in the last session also one program is there. I think number of rounds to each round details. The input reading plays a very crucial role. Then what is the answer? Simply I am taking one value for I in age. Is less than 17. Fees is equal to fees plus, what is the amount given? 200. Fees is equal to fees plus 200. L if so 17 is completed between 70 and 40. So else if I less than or equal to 40, if condition fails is greater than 17 only, greater than or equal to 17 only, here you no need to write. Or else you can write I greater than or equal to 17 and I less than or equal to 40. Anyway, we are coming to L if in the sense if is false. When if is false, if it is less than 17. Okay, now fees plus is equal to fees 740, fees is 400, fees is 400. L if sound okay, only one condition is there, else fees is equal to what is the amount, 300. So finally coming out of the loop, print the message what is given, total income, total income, f string, total income colon fees, close, completed, run. Fees is equal to 20 where, okay, fine. Now fee equal to 200, why no, initially fees is equal to 0 only, initially fees is equal to 0. Step by step take 1 from the age, if it is less than 17 add 240, 400 greater than 300, step by step I am adding, finally we are getting the results, run. So according to this question only we entered 20, 30, 40, 50. 20, 30, 40, 50. Next to 2, 3, 14. 2, 3, 14. Now see, whenever I want to stop, just to press enter. See, the total income is 2100. So the total, maybe it is mistake here. See, the total income is 2100. Now, clear? Everyone understand carefully how I am reading the input. Blindly reading the input is not a matter. Yet while reading the input, you need to satisfy the constraint also. You need to satisfy the constraints also. Okay. Now, so this is the condition. Why I return maximum 20 times you can enter. Whenever you just to press empty enter, then coming out. That is the reason. If it is equal, break coming out of the loop. And between 1 to 120 only it is valid. Otherwise, invalid message coming out of the program. Now this is simple one. I think you know this one. Repeatedly take one element based on the value. We have either 200, 400 or 300. Finally, by coming out of the loop, I am printing the value. Now I think clear. Now any doubts? Please ask me if you have any doubts. Otherwise, I will close. So each program takes approximately 20 to 25 minutes. If you have any doubts under here, the most important thing in this, the most important thing is how to read the input, yes or no, that plays very crucial role. Again, I am repeat the last sentence one more time. While writing the program, follow the given example carefully, then it is very easy. Okay. Any doubts? If you have no doubts, I will close. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. I'm closing the session. Thank you. Good night.